Welcome, Ryan. Good to see you too. Good morning. All right, here we are. After the NFP news, seems like NQ is edging higher. I would love to see this go down and take out the news candle, but seems like it's just going higher. Harshit, hey there, and good morning, Vietnam. Kirk, welcome. You're in Nas buys from news dip. Let's go. We have an unbalanced price here. Don't forget at midnight level. We also have the news low. Let me disable the VWAP. Actually, we can leave the VWAP just for now, just for fun. We had it on in London session. Order flow. Welcome, order flow. Good morning, LFG. Okay, so we have some levels. We tapped into that 15-minute CB up there, which we were waiting for in the London session. Didn't go there, but this news candle technically swept as much as it could. We'll see the reaction. The thing is, we have this unbalanced price range down there. TP at yesterday's high. Let's go. There is this level here, which is an unbalanced price range. I know you guys don't like that I put it there, but the same is there on the mini as well. I'm just gonna keep an eye on that level. It's not mandatory that we should go down there. I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. Okay, this one starts at 41.75 on the mini, and what? No, not 41. Come on, 72. Why had I said 41? 72. Okay, up there. And we have another one here at 74.25. Okay, 74.25 would be the one which is closer. Okay. Possible sell side liquidity there. Okay. So these are the levels that we have. Be careful with the market open. And let's get this, you know, let's get the W. Let's get that W. Okay. How far is that? 1 minute. 25 points. Very close. Very, very, very close. We'll keep an eye on for it. Okay, what do we have? Market is about to open in 15 seconds. Good luck to everyone. Wish you guys all the best. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Market is open. Careful. Careful, careful. You know, anything can happen here. It can also spike higher before even trying to go to lower levels. So just a quick reminder. Careful with the highs. What else do we have? So far it's in the same range, not really doing anything particular. The closest low there is a 74.25, but it could be just ranging, or might try to do a new high here. Hello, Chipe, szia! Csak kereskedünk, hello. Sarif, hey there! Passed your account, congratulations! Let me give you an applause. Congratulations, Sarif. Trader Monk, good morning. Jó reggelt, illetve jó délután. Alright, seems like we're going higher here. Let's watch for some levels here. Alright, took out this swing high. I wonder if there's gonna be a spike higher, or this is it. You know, just wondering if this is gonna be it or not. Because it can just shoot way higher, all the way up to the 560s. You know, lots of space to go there. Actually, let me look at some levels higher. It might want to go. It might just want to go. You know, to make a new high above the 30s. I think it might want to. Let's look for some fair value gaps here. We have one here. That could be the first one. A very, very tiny one. Let me look at it on the mini. It's there on the mini too. Anyway. Might want to break the high here. Not sure. Could there be stops above, what's the high there? At 29. Could there be some stops? Maybe, I guess. I mean, it took out those highs, but the rest, I'm not sure. Okay, we took out the high after the news. Let's see what it wants to do now. Sorry, I'm just trying to focus here on the chart still. Looking for maybe a possible rejection. Interesting. Anyway, let's wait for it. I'm gonna extend this and see if there's gonna be any kind of reaction, maybe a reversal or something, not sure, or continuation. There's still some space to go up there, previous day high 67 is obviously a good target. It might want to do a new high here. And a new all-time high on Friday. Who cares about the data low? Not the perfect bearish candle formation here. I wouldn't go overboard with this reversal if it's a reversal, of course. I would actually think that this one might want to push it back up there, but not sure. 5 minute is gonna close in less than 3 minutes, so there's still some way to go there, but it's a little tricky. It's a little bit tricky. The first presentation gap, I would call it here, although it's a very, very small one, but not sure about that. And what else do we have? Is this gonna try to push it higher? It just might. Do we have anything else news-wise? We have University of Michigan consumer sentiment a little bit later. Nothing special. Yeah, so far that's it. And there she goes. One more push. Create a bullish candle. I would say previous day high could be a target here. Up there in the 60s maybe. That would be a stretch, but it can go. MB Trader, good morning. Let me disable this VWAP so I can see more clear. Okay, so far it's not going for the highs there, but it's also not dropping yet. Could be accumulating some positions. I mean, 25 points for NQ shouldn't be an issue, but you know, I guess we'll see. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait and see if it does anything. Nine minutes until the macro. Nothing so far. Okay. So I guess we're gonna leave it at that. Is it gonna push or is it not? I feel like if it wants to push, it wants to make it to the new all-time high again. But it's hard to decide at this point. I just want to. What's the high on the mini? What's the all-time high on the mini? It's 67. Okay, let's wait for it. Maybe it wants to create a divergence. I think it's in the cards, but it could be tricky. Like it can do like some early profit taking and take the elevator, so be careful at these levels. But I think we have a possibility. Yeah, we have a possibility to go there. I wouldn't be surprised since it's NFP. You know, at NFP anything can happen. So yeah, definitely a tricky one. It's not far actually, 67. It's like 15 points away. For NQ, it could be just a spike as well. Depends on what the time right now. Oh, the macro is still ahead of us, so why not, you know? Has a good chance for it. And I think it just took it, right? Yeah, it did. So new all-time high. And now we just have to wait again. The question remains, which one is the first gap? I think it's this one. This one is going to be the first presentation gap, or the first fair value gap after the open. And I'm going to highlight that just so we know. And this is it. We're at all-time high. Who knows what's going to happen? Because I don't. We're just going to have to wait. Let's go, Harshit. Let's go. First trade. $150 away from passing. Oh, come on. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job. I don't know where could this go, because we have nothing up here. Absolutely nothing. So best case scenario, what I can do is just wait for a possible reversal, maybe. Not even sure. I'm gonna look quickly on gold. Gold has some good targets up there as well. Might try to reverse here. Yeah, it's going. No stopping at NQ. Absolutely no stopping at NQ. It's gonna go to the 600 maybe. Just waiting, everyone. I'm just waiting to nothing else that can be done. I'm not gonna jump into a long. That is 100% sure. I just can't under these circumstances. It's just not a good decision to chase any long position right here. Not at this point. I'm not in a position, not in a trade. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. There's just nothing I can go for here in targets. Let me check on gold again. Gold is actually creating a nice little structure. Actually, the structure has been shifted on the 5-minute, which is great. So might be good for a possible long position. Okay, gold is still there. Nothing special. Looking for a possible reversal. As for fair value gaps, well, nothing. On the 5-minute, we have one here. Nothing above that. And no sign of this one getting weaker. You know, it could be just rallying all the way, maybe up to the 700s. Nobody knows that. We're just making history here every second. There's two things I can do. Wait for a major structure shift, which would be great if price would trade below the 580. Or still wait for the structure shift, but you know, maybe for a pullback to continue. But where to continue? To make a new all-time high? Not sure. Not sure. You just got out? Nice. Oh man, you were holding it. You were holding it nicely up to the 600s. Diamond hands. Diamond hands. I couldn't do it. It's just too risky for me. Well, anyway. It was a nice push. And we are actually, we're in the macro. And we're starting the new hour, less than 5 minutes. So we shall see if we're gonna get some kind of a reversal here. 99.09. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Not gonna be bearish. Yeah, still not bearish. Not on the mini also. So let's keep on waiting. The next thing we can do is actually wait for a structure shift again. It was a nail biter. Yeah, I can imagine that. Kishike there, sell limit at 620. All right. Suspicious activity on my trader weight. I had to hit the daily loss limit to clear any hangers. Wow, which prop firm was that, or was it on your personal account? Okay. There has to be something else here I can go with. Okay, looking for a structure shift. Ah, just sneezed. No structure shift yet. In fact, I think it could be just accumulating positions again to push it higher. Okay. Still up there. 604, 614. I think it can make a new high. How about that? I'm not sure. Going down to 581 maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Gotta wait more for a proper pullback. If it's not going to be a structure shift, at least if we could see a slow grind lower for some pullback, that could make some sense to take a long position. The 5-minute created this fair value gap, so okay, it's pushing up there again. New high. Yeah, we have the University of Michigan numbers. So I guess we'll see if we go down to 81, right? 82. So what's it gonna be? Is it going to reprice the lower fair value gap or not? Just wondering. Or is it just gonna continue higher? I think it could go higher at this point. How about that? Going for the 650s. Seems like the market really loves this level here. Could it be pushing to the 650s? Just wondering. Look at that. Another push. Another push. Might not be enough. I'm gonna put a line here at 50, but I don't think it's gonna go now. Feels like it. I don't know. It might want to. It's getting real far away from that opening gap too. I mean, according to the volume, but I thought that the new hourly candle is gonna bring it down, but it didn't yet. I think everybody wants to go short now, maybe. Maybe not. No structure shift. Double topping on ES. Dangerous place. Took nest, sell now for less, $150. Stop loss above high. Careful. But let's go. I'm watching this closely myself, but so far nothing I like yet. I really wanted to take a trade here, but just can't figure out what levels should I be looking for. Nothing so far that I can go with. Setting up head and shoulders. I'm not saying it's impossible. Maybe, you know. Still feels like that it could be just accumulating positions and pushing it higher to the 650s. You know, I can imagine that happening. It's a little bit dangerous to decide what to do. Can still make new highs. Super easy. Well, let's just wait for it. Let's wait out this situation. Could be just going sideways. Ritpik is entered gold buy. So Ritpik is acting up again? Come on, that sucks. I hate that. Anyway, we can't take a trade here as much as I'd like to. This is not the area. I was expecting, I think everybody was expecting that. And I think still everybody is expecting that. That's why this one could be just still pushing. Still everybody wants to see this go down. And instead, NQ is just keeps on going higher. Anyway. Yeah, it's just pushing it. That's why. What if it goes to the 700s? I don't know. I think. I mean, everybody wants to see this go down. I guess. I just don't know how far it's gonna go. I also want to see this go down, but I have no position, so I don't know what to do here. Not sure how far this one wants to push it. But I think I'm just gonna wait. There's no targets up there. The only round number would be the 650, but I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna go with that. One more challenge cleared. Congratulations, Harshit. Royce, how you connect two different prop in Quant Tower? Well, you have to subscribe to the advanced features. There's a link, by the way. I think it gives you a small discount. Not sure in the stream description. You have to purchase it. It's $30. Maybe it goes down with the link to $27. I'm not sure. So advanced features, you have to subscribe to it. Monthly, $30 or $27, and you can connect as many prop firms as you like. I also subscribe to it. So yeah, definitely. I like One Tower better, Royce. I like it much better. And yeah. The thing is, if you subscribe to the service on Quant Tower, you don't have to buy the full package because it's like $100 or $70. I don't know. You only have to buy the advanced features. So you can buy these functions separately, so you don't have to buy everything. Just the advanced features has the multiple connection feature, and that's it. Yeah, it looks like, but still it looks like that it can take the stairs higher. You know, slowly take the stairs higher, and you know, that's why could be a little bit tricky. Let me just see what's going on here. There was nothing here. One here, 23 points. Actually, it went up there. It can still go, actually. That was a break here. 21. Yeah, like easy 10 points. It's in the cards. Look at that. Super easy. Not sure how far it wants to go. Like, is it gonna go to the 50s, or what's the plan here, or to the 40s? Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Look at that. It's going up. It's spiking up there. Interesting. And I still don't have a proper entry. There could have been one here. So for, yeah, I missed that. It's gonna go to the 50s. Unbelievable, right? And I just can't. I just can't get into action here. Look at that. Almost there. Almost at the 50s. Now it has to go to the 50s. It just have to pop that level. Not yet. It was close, but it didn't go for it. It didn't go for it. Okay. All right. It was a little bit too much. Almost had the 50. Okay, nice little bearish reaction. Nice candle formation. I like it. I can't enter long here. I'm watching it closely. I just can't. Okay, I think there's an issue here with the connection. And Q still holding. I have no orders or positions. Nice. Okay. Okay. It still feels like that it's accumulating positions, but hard to tell. Hello, Anthony. What's going on? How are you today? Okay. Still holding this 30 level. Feels like it wants to pop the 50s. But slowly grinding lower. Let's see what's gold going to do here. Okay. Gold is going higher. I took a long on gold. Where is it? Where is it? No. Okay, here it is. There's a gold trade, nothing special. And what else? Nothing else. Just the gold. Just the gold. Doing good? Okay. Trying to stay inside away from gold, yeah. Portfolio has been going in wrong direction. Yeah, the last couple of days are actually absolutely crazy because, you know, lots of sideways action. Look at this. I mean, it's really, you know, it's hard to trade right now. I tried to do my best on gold, for example. I still can't figure it out as well. And as for NQ, well, it's a mystery for me what NQ is doing. It's a total mystery. So yeah, very, very, very hectic days. So what can we do, right? So this is just gold. That's all I have, and waiting for NQ to do something finally. Spending too much time up there. Without any proper drop in price. How far are we from that opening gap? Actually, not that far. It's not all the way that far. Yeah, my gold trade is not looking good. Okay, NQ seems like might try to let it go, which is sort of a good news, or could be good news. Five-minute gap below. Let's see what it does. Inverting this gap, I think we should jump into a short. What do you guys think? Jumped into a short, very small one. On this inversion, targeting that fair value gap down there. Very, very, very small, like maybe I think $100 or something. Something like that. No. How much is that? 140 something. There was a tiny structure shift there. Maybe it wasn't enough. But close below this gap. So I thought, you know, maybe it can go. I'm short, Ryan. I'm short. Actually, let me show you my position here. That's my gold trade. And this is my NQ trade. I'm looking for the 5-minute fair value gap down there. That's all I'm looking for here. But it's a tiny position. And that's it. That is it. I'm long on gold. I'm long on gold just for a small one. And I'm short on NQ. These are the two trades I have. But only with micros, small positions, nothing special. So. You're short on gold? Let's go. Well, you know, one of us should be reaching take profit, right? Yeah, this is the gold. I don't know what to think of NQ, but maybe what I'm gonna do with NQ is I'm gonna TP at 85 if it goes down. And I'm gonna wait for gold. Gold has relative equal highs at 65, which doesn't really mean anything. Also, I don't like the fact that NQ here is acting weird. I took off one. Because the risk was too much. I don't like that it's not dropping, so that's why I took off one. Double top going down. Well, I guess we'll see. Oh no. Oh no. Well, this is it. Oh man. I was really hoping after this candle at 10:30 traded down there that finally we can see something, but it's just not happening. What a shame. Well, that's trading. Part of trading, I guess. Yeah. I'm out. Unfortunately, I'm out from that position. Long NQES at about the TP. Let's go. Well, yeah, seems like it could be pushing to the 50s. I guess we'll see. My gold trade looks bad too right now. And there was some minor liquidity voids at 57.6 and 58.6. Damn it, damn it. This gold trade is gonna trick me. Right after, yeah. I know. I mean, I mean, obviously, I'm listening to everyone. I'm curious about everyone's opinion. You're shorting crude? Nice. Damn it, this trade. Okay, okay. No worries. No worries. I think I'm gonna close my gold trade, maybe. Almost at stop loss anyway. Trying to reduce some losses. I just don't know what is going on. But you know, as far as I look at NQ, I can easily imagine that this one is gonna push once more. You know, up there to the 50s maybe. I moved from trading NAS to Dow Jones. I don't like NAS these days. Well, Christmas definitely has some, I don't know, Cord, but we do have a lot of sideways action nowadays. Still holding prior to 9:30 longs. Oh, you took profit. Okay. Yeah, my gold trade is done. I'm out from gold. Annoying, but it is what it is. And what else can be done here? Uh, I feel like there's not enough steam in NQ to push it up there, but I guess we'll see. ES and crude looking to negate NQ profit. Let's go. Yeah, NQ is just too weak now, I think. I mean, obviously it can go up there, but too much sideways action on the 5-minute chart. We'll see. Hey, methodical man. Sorry, I was just staring at the charts because this is just watching paint dry. How is your trading day so far? I hope you're printing money over there. Bravo. Hello. Hello, Bravo. Very small green. Well, green is green. Red on Eval. Well, as long as it's Eval, who cares, right? Who cares about evaluation accounts? Nice. Nice. Oh, well, this is just... I don't know what to do here. I was really hoping that we will drop from there, but I feel like there's one more push coming up any moment. And there's just no entry that I could go with. Hey, Pashka, what's up? Anyway, we're just gonna wait. I mean, as usual, nowadays NQ does the better moves after the AM session. Lunch hour and PM session, those are the ones that are working with NQ nowadays. The AM sessions are... We have macro in a few minutes. I guess we'll see something here. I guess I really wanted to see that it sweeps some liquidity lower, but it feels like now it could, you know, try to push once more. Who knows? Tested 643 times already. Yeah. Green taste so far? Let's go. Yesterday was red. Well, it equals out each other, right? Unemployment non-farm payrolls are both ups. Stagflation, yeah. I mean, this is just like in the past hour, nothing happened. I mean, nothing. It doesn't even want to go down and pick up liquidity on the 15-minute chart. Nothing seems to work at this moment. Macro is kicking in less than 2 minutes. 1 minute actually. If we will see something, of course. Yeah, I'm in Hungary and it's raining right now. Yeah, it's raining. Okay, here's the macro. Let's see what it's gonna be. Nothing. Nothing so far. Next liquidity area would be around 94 on the 15-minute chart. And we have a nice area at 83. I don't know if it wants to pick up there, but you know, we'll be watching carefully. The low of that is 93, yeah. And on the NQ, the 15-minute low is 93, of course. Same area. What's the temperature? Well, it's around 0 degrees right now because there was a little bit snow. Yeah, it's at 0 degrees Celsius. So how much is that in Fahrenheit? 0 degrees Celsius, and it's actually rain and snow outside. Snowy and rainy at the same time. Yeah. Snowy rain, yeah. Fahrenheit is 32, yeah. So Right now it's 32 Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's yeah, cold, I guess. And it's super dark. It's like total darkness out there and monsters everywhere. Oh man. I missed an entry, I think. Maybe I should have gone short. The thing is, I'm a little bit scared to do anything here. I'm just curious to see if it wants to sweep liquidity on the macro. We still have 7 minutes. If it wants to go for it. 270 degrees Kelvin for the aliens. Yeah. By the way, speaking of aliens, I was watching some videos that in the United States, some officials from the Pentagon, or I don't know from where, they admitted that UFOs are actually exist and they do have possession of alien spacecraft in the military. So Congress hearing was about this. I was watching the video. Like in front of Congress, they said that. So what the hell is going on? So we have aliens now and nobody's talking about it. What's going on here? I just don't get it. So we have aliens and nobody is. It's like it's what the hell, you know. Model 22. Yeah, this was the Model 22 entry here. This here. Distraction. You're watching an alien now. Okay. Is it Maxi? Wink. I know. I'm an alien. Yeah, I'm an alien. They're walking around US. Yeah, and there was a Netflix documentary, I think. They're saying that the aliens live under the oceans. So what the hell? I'm not gonna go to the ocean now. You know, I wanted to take a boat ride, and you know those aliens live under the ocean. Ah, no, no way, dude. Yeah, just like in the movie, the interview. You know, I'm consuming everything from the inside. You know, it's to particles. It's just vanishing into thin air. I don't poop or pee. I should have taken this short, man. I don't know what's up with me today. By the way, I am down on 2 funded accounts, $366 on one. Actually, I can show you guys my accounts because these are the ones that I currently have. So today I am down on this MyFundedFutures funded account, $366. This other MyFundedFutures funded account, I'm down $355. It's still above 50k. It's a struggle with MyFundedFutures for me. On Apex, I made today 222, but it's a brand new account. And the other ones are just break even. It's $22 here, $18 here. It's a brand new Bulenox, $16 here. Those are evaluations, and these are the ones I have currently, $38 on these ones. So I'm unfortunately the MyFundedFutures accounts, which I really aiming to push, these are down. So it feels bad, to be honest. It's frustrating why I can't push it now. I mean I just can't. So I might gonna leave this as it is. It's a little bit below, well, $322, $3, $2 below 50k. I think I shouldn't push it on Friday anymore. I mean this account. Maybe go to evaluation. I don't know. So they preparing us for aliens. So it seems normal when they appear. Oh, I see. I've seen some crazy stuff in Southeast United States. I think the creators test the craft by putting old prop plane transponders on them instead of flying gray. Test fly them as an old plane. Oh, I see. Uni MC20, wow. Okay, so it's a distraction. Okay. All right. They often appear as stars that are slightly lower in your usual night sky and only move if you have a strobe light or something to stand out from the ground. Wow. By the way, this reminds me, the light. I saw a website, a startup, but I think it's a hoax. It's just a fake thing. That there's a company online where you can order sunlight during nighttime with satellites, with the help of satellites. But I think it's bullshit. I think it's just total bullshit. But they made a video. Obviously, it was CGI. That there's an application. You know, you have to pay for everything. Blah blah blah. And they set they tell you which time and the exact coordinates. You have to give them the exact coordinates, and they're going to direct sunlight to that spot from a satellite. And so you can order sunlight in the middle of the night to a certain spot. But I think that's bullshit. But it was amazing. If it's true. But I don't think it's true. I don't think it's possible to reflect sunlight specifically, like, you know, to your garden, for example. Anyway, with the help of satellites and mirrors. Okay, what the heck is going on here? Feels like NQ wants to push it again. I don't know. What if NQ wants to push it now again? Does it want to go up or is it down again to 90? What was the level? 93 again? Not sure, to be exact. All right. Well, nothing is going on right now. We passed the 11 a.m. mark. So I'm not sure if it wants to sweep higher, but it might, you know. Nice push. My short suffering. Is this AMD? I don't know what do you mean AMD? If I'm not wrong, this candle will form a fair value gap to the upside. Yeah, I mean, and let's not forget that on the 15-minute, let me show you. Look at this candle. It didn't go lower than the previous one, so we still have a 15-minute fair value gap right here. So I'm gonna be watching that level closely because that 15-minute gap has not been taken. So, and there is definitely some liquidity below 93. PM session, yeah, hopefully it will be better. I think it wants to go down now again. Not sure though. So we have a little bit of liquidity below those candles down there, but not sure. Maybe not. We'll see. The thing is that it didn't go down. It didn't take that out. I thought that it will. It's all time I'm still pumping. Yeah, that's why I think they just want to squeeze everybody once more, maybe all the way to the 50s. Quite interesting. Watching this current candle on the 1 minute, it took out this high. Wondering how this candle is gonna act. Seems like it wants to push it. You know, one more squeeze up to the highs. What was the high on the micro? 45.50, and on the mini it was 45.25. Could be one more push. Wait, the micro and the mini. Yeah, I mean, a few ticks can be different, you know. I mean, they are the same, but not every tick. So sometimes I check both just to make sure. Who is buying market at the top? Who knows, you know. I guess a lot of people are buying at the top. All right, maybe here comes the drop. $72. The mid level of this 5 minute is down there at 72. Let's see what it does. 82 is a possible sell side down there. Hard to say. Okay, this is the 15-minute liquidity level, 93.50. Nice little drop there. Only on market, yeah. So we had the market structure shift again. We'll see what's going on. There's a fair value gap on the 5 minute down there, and there's the 15-minute gap at 90. What's the low? 93. Mm-hmm. 93.50. Not sure if it goes there, but still waiting. What's the 15-minute level on the mini? The low here is 93. Okay, so 93.50 on the micro, 93 on the mini. A little more down. Well, as I said, 93.50 would be the 15-minute fair value gap. So there's definitely orders below there. The question is, are we going down to the 80? What's that level? 84. It should be the mid level. And we're going. Not the 84, but the 69, sorry. Oh, yeah. Right on. Good job from me by not entering. Great trader I am. I'm such a great trader by not entering these awesome trades, so thank you for myself. Thank you, Tom. You're a good trader. No problem, Tom. It's fine. I missed my entry. There could be a bullish reversal here, maybe. Who knows? Made 50. Filled. At least 560 by 1 p.m. Well, it's in the cards, so I'm not saying it won't. I also don't understand of what's happening with gold now. I was watching it and I still don't know if it wants to break higher or just want to consolidate, but anyways. I'm not trusting the move currently. Look at this. What's it doing right now? It's reversing back up there. How's the 5-minute looks like? All right. Long 6A. Which one is that? Is that euro? Or is that yen? I don't know which one is that. Not pound, because that's B. Or Aussie? Is that the Aussie? Yeah, Aussie. Okay. Yeah, it's a crazy move down here. 5-minute spike down, and now it's rolling up there again. Feels like it wants to push it once more. I wish I would knew what's happening with gold. Gold actually took out the data low, data high, and midnight level is still up there at 64.5 on futures. I wanted to see it go higher, but it's still not going yet. You ready for reshort? Maybe. I mean, on the 3-minute, almost. I can imagine that it might want to go short again. Oh man, what a day. We're stuck here. It's official. Should have taken the gold trade, I guess. Should have taken the freaking gold trade. Because it's slowly going up there. I'm gonna try to turn this around if I can. Oh yeah, gold is going. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I wanted to go with gold and it's not going. I mean, I'm not going with it. It's going, but I'm not on the train. I'm not sure what's going on here. It seems like it might want to go back down. You know. I'm trying to like this first opening gap here. Trying to like that. I mean, I think I'm gonna like that level. This doesn't matter anymore. We have the 930 low right there. $4.85. Picked some liquidity above 629. Went lower. Took liquidity up there. I'm tempted to jump into a short, to be honest. I'm tempted. Oh yeah, definitely I lost money because I set up the charts incorrectly. I would say not exactly the charts, but yeah, because I was staying on the mini and not the micro, so I entered with 5 mini on a funded account, and yeah, you can imagine what happened after that. But yeah, it happened, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it happened. Yeah. So I was on the mini chart and I like, oh, let's go enter the trade quickly. 5 micro. Oops, it's 5 mini. Printing double top on ES. What's happening on ES? I feel like ES might want to go down too. Still not sure. Still not sure. What do you guys think? Poked into liquidity right there. That's not an order block. Nothing there. 15-minute, there's nothing. There's a gap there. I mean, it doesn't look that bad currently. Shifted structure. This one poked into that area. Went down there. It can go. Buy. Are you guys buying, Benjamin? Let's go. You're about to short. I thought you were gonna say I'm about to shit. Just joking. You're about to short. Yeah, I'm also looking for possible shorts, to be honest. Although that top here, I mean, I don't know. I really want to see a bit of a sell-off. That would be awesome. I'm about to shop my pants. And I'm gonna drop my pants and fire a rocket, you know. Short field. All right. I'm still waiting. I don't know for what, but I'm still waiting. I feel like if we break below 595, then this should go down. How much is this from here? Easy 80 points. Super easy, you know. Super easy. Isn't that wick we just put in protected low? What? Protected low? What does that mean? I don't know how you trade, man. I don't understand you. Protected low. What is a protected low? Is that an ICT thing? There's so many terms. Protected low. I'm gonna find it out anyway. Protected low. This one? It's not protected. Nothing is protected. It took out a wick inside a fair value gap. You mean this one? Oh, okay. Need to. I mean, it made a new high. Look at that. It took out. If you're referring to this, I was watching this too. Like this is a wick. This one took it out, and now it has taken liquidity up there. And now maybe, because this is not an order block, at least it's not a valid order block. It could be just, you know, consolidate maybe and boom, go down. Could be a possibility, in my opinion. It repriced this gap now. Awesome. It's fun. Super great. And now, some bearish candles and boom, going down. Actually, if it would go down, I'd like to see 510. I'm not going to say personalized guarantee, but if I see this one turning bearish here, then then this area is the one I'll be looking for right there. So we'll see. But since I don't have a confirmation on it, I'm just gonna wait. And it might just gonna push higher. I don't know why, but I feel like that 650. Okay, now this candle I like. This candle, let me check it on the mini. Let me check it on the mini. But it should close bearish. Okay. It's gonna be a tight position for sure. And it still needs like 20 more seconds. Now it's gonna go higher. Okay, never mind. It's gonna break the high. If it breaks higher, it's no good. Yeah, it's not gonna be good because it's gonna close bullish. So never mind. Never mind. Yeah, it's not good. Not good. The mini. Oh no, never mind. It's just pushing. It's just pushing. If it breaks higher, it hits your stop loss. Oh. Could be orders resting above 35. By the way, I have to use the bathroom. That usually means some movements are coming. So 20 points to 650 and 16 points to all-time high again. Feels like it wants to push it. Don't worry guys, it's gonna be just the number one. I'll be right back. Don't worry, I'm here. Let's go. Can EVS even if they are goodbye? Well, we'll see. Should have taken that gold long trade. Oh man, shoulda, woulda, coulda. Feel bad right now. Could have made a nice profit there on gold, 25 points. Sheesh. Could have taken that gold trade. What the hell is going on, NQ? Exactly. Well, I can't really tell because I don't know. I haven't even checked it really, Ryan, but next time I'm going to check it just for you. You know, when I flush the toilet, I'm going to be thinking of Ryan. Just joking. Or not. Yeah. You heard a fart? I used to fart, but I think the microphone filters out the noise. You know. By the way, there's a scientific study that every people farts on average 50 or 60 times a day. That's a lot, right? Everybody farts around 50 or 60 times during the day. Even when you don't even know it, you know. It just comes out. That's it. That's what happens. You never fart? Dude, how you do it? That's a skill, I guess. I have to say that's a skill. There's no other way around it. What the hell? This is gonna go in. This is anyway. I feel like lunch hour is going to push the 45s here, but I have no confirmation. Look at that. This is gonna push it. There you go. I'm telling you, it's gonna push it. But the 650, now that's interesting. You know, the round numbers. Can sell after 35. What's the third? Yeah, actually, now that it picked this top, and you know, we just need a bearish candle, is all. So, time me fart in the bed, wave the covers, see what happens. Excellent idea. Thank you. I'm gonna try it for sure. That's actually an excellent idea. So what's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be? Power 3 now? Yeah. I guess. I think. Not sure. But I do see something. I just don't know what it is. But I'm trying to figure it out. 50 a day. I'm putting in rookie. Yeah. So I don't even know what is considered to be rookie numbers. Or whatnot. Maybe 50 is a rookie number. Maybe you have to fart 100 times just to enter as a rookie. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yeah. Now the thing is, what is this currently? Is this the distribution? Because if this was the manipulation down there, then the distribution phase should continue higher and push for some new highs, right? I mean, that would be logical from the algorithm. Does anyone know Michael's phone? Cell phone? We have to ask about them. I mean, ask about this because 650. Yeah, I mean, I think Methodical Man knows Michael's phone number. They're cousins, so. As the trading algo says. Well, if you're referring to my super specific futuristic indicators, there is nothing on there right now. They're not saying anything currently. And I'm still just waiting. Maybe we should just wait for the macro. Retracement 50 on 50 farts a day puts rookie fart numbers at 2.36 farts a day. So on average, a human farts 2.36 times a day. That's a rookie number for sure. Sorry, just a quick phone call. I'm here. You got filled really bad. Well, let's see what the macro is gonna do. Are we gonna push it higher, or are we finally going to drop? Actually, I'd like to see this one go down, but I'm just not sure. Gold is up there. NQ feels like NQ. Well, there's a 5-minute gap down there at 14. What's the low of that candle? 14, actually. I'm just curious if it wants to take some liquidity from there or not on the 5-minute. Whoa, what is happening? Ryan! Jesus! Come on, man. You shouldn't have. Dude. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't hear the applause. Thank you so much, Ryan, for the $100 donation. That's a lot of money. Dude. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what to say. My email. Oh, sorry, I wasn't reading. I was talking with the hospital. I just got. I'm shaking right now. $100 donation. Just a second. My email. I have to log in. If you can send anything. Thank you so much for the donation. Thank you. That's I still don't. I think only once Methodical Man sent in this kind of money. Like it's a huge amount of money. Thank you. This is my email. Thank you again, Ryan. It looks like we're going. I still can't believe you donated $100. You know what? Not now, but for next week, I'm gonna use some of that for giveaway on next week's stream. Okay, when we have more people around. And thank you. I still don't know what to say. Anyway, we have the macro kicking in about 1 minute and 18 seconds, and we could see something here. Ryan, I still can't believe you sent $100. Anyway. Picked up liquidity from that small gap. I'm wondering if it's gonna go lower maybe, not sure. What levels do we have here? Looking at the 5 minute here, 601. It has to go below 600 if it turns out to be a bearish scenario. But where could be the draw on liquidity? I like to think that it wants to go at least down to the 85s. Anyway, we have the macro right now. See what it does. Pushing higher a little bit. Pushing higher. And yeah, I'm gonna get this line off from here. I don't know. I don't know what to think because could be a sell-off maybe. What's the lunch hour is in a few minutes, like 8 minutes or so. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just still wondering if there's going to be any chance for price to revisit those levels down there, especially the first opening gap, or go below. Like that's like 100 points down. Can this one go? Maybe. I'm not sure. It's a tricky one. It's a very, very, very tricky one. If it goes down, I'd like to see the 96.50 to be taken out. And if it gets taken out, and that's a big if it gets taken out, obviously would be awesome to see. There's some good targets down there. I entered the short. I entered the short here. I'm only going to take partials if I can. I don't have a stop on yet. My final TP would be awesome. Way down there. I don't know. I would love to take a partial here so I can put this to break even and just leave a runner. No, I never used order flow, Benjamin. I heard that many people are using it. Made another 50. Let's go. Liquidity now. Okay. So where is the liquidity? That's always the question. Where is the liquidity? That's the question. Still have less than 6 minutes from, actually about 5 minutes from the macro, but where is the liquidity? Where is it? I'm not trusting this move here. Oh man, come on. I really wanted to see this go down. Please. Please. Pretty please. Please, market, just go down for that liquidity. Come on. Dominic, hey there. Oh yeah, London sessions are brutal nowadays. Absolute brutal. I agree. 100% agree. Oh man. Why, NQ? Why are you doing this to me? You're tearing me apart, Lisa. Come on. Ugh. It's awful. This garbage even worse than Tokyo. Oh yeah, I agree. Have you been profitable the last month? Well, in November it was okay, but this month everything is just. Even today is unfortunately it's extremely red, especially after this trade. I don't know what to do. I was so much hoping that that finally we can see a sell-off here. Yeah, NQ is a wild one. Unstable right now. Exactly, Naomi. I know what to do. Wait. Okay, yeah. Wait, yeah, we'll just wait. I was waiting for some kind of a sell-off, and then this is what it got me into. Anyway, less than 2 minutes for the new hour, for the lunch hour. Exactly. I mean, I don't know. What can I say? 571 first, enter your shorts. I'd like to be there, but first it's gonna take me out. Unreal. Unreal. I'm down $600 on this funded account, so I have to stop. That's it. $661. This is it. I'm down 700 on one funded account and down $662 on another funded account. So I can do two things. I can walk away, or I can switch to another account, which is not a good idea. Absolute red day so far. Up 750. Let's go, Benjamin. Let's go. Oh my god. It's so terrible. Oh, really? Awesome, Ryan. Congrats. Venom, hello there. Send me mail. Let me check it. Let me check it. Congratulations. That's awesome, you know. At least someone makes profit. Ryan, I was just reading your email. I can definitely help with you, and you don't have to pay anything. I'm gonna reply to you, Ryan. I can look into that for you, and you don't have to bother about paying and such. So I'm gonna reply to your email, definitely. So don't worry about it. No New York trade for you today. Venom, I hope you're doing some good profits there. I know you have the balls to enter with minis. So Ryan, I'm gonna get back to you maybe over the weekend or something. I have to look up for some information, and I'll be back to you on email. All right, and I will ask around and look over some stuff. Resistance at 644. The Viva up this morning and went 600. You guys like the Viva up, don't you? But anyway, here we are in the lunch hour, and still it's not doing the sell-off. Also, it would be great if it does the sell-off. It would be great to see it go below 573 at least. Okay, not gonna lie, I entered to a short at 6.15. I'm over trading now, so I'm making huge mistakes here left and right. And I entered the short at 6.15, targeting that swing low. If it would sell off to that area, trying to make up for the losses. I'm not entering with more contracts, but you know, the 10 micros, which is basically 1 mini, but in case I would take some partials, which I don't think I will, I stayed with the 10 micro here. Not that I have another choice, but I need to buy the bottom of the range that is forming and sell the rallies. Rinse and repeat as long as MACD stays green. That's true. That's true. If we invert 947 BC, I think about shorts for new lows. Yeah. I mean, there are some good targets below, but I'm still not sold on the idea that we're going completely down there. But it's still bullish on the 5 minutes, so. And bullish on the 15 minute too. Damn it. It's still bullish. Still freaking bullish. I don't even have a stop here. Shut the front door, man. What's happening? Come on. What is going on here? It's freaking bullish. That's the problem. Gold going down. The mini bulls. It's not looking great. I so much wanted to go into a nice little sell-off here. I totally married to the idea, which I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have done it, but I don't know. I just don't know. What do I think about gold? I mean, in the big picture, I think gold should be bullish. But currently, well, I also think it's still bullish. I would like to see gold going higher to 26.64. Man, this freaking NQ. Oh. All right, closing it. That's it. All right, that's it. Down $800 on the account. This is it. This is it. Nothing I can do. Gotta stop trading. And that's it. That's all we can do. Going to short again soon. Since it's Friday, I think. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I was thinking that maybe the lunch hour will bring it down. We'll see another all-time high. It's in the cards. Maybe finally we will see 650. Who knows? Wouldn't be surprised on anything right now on NQ. But today is obviously going to be a red day for me. There's no way around it. It is what it is. I'm accepting it. And just move on for the next week. I still have an evaluation, actually 2 evaluations from Tradeify. I think I might go in with that. And I'm still looking at this price action. Payout by Monday. If ES turns up now, it'll be a rocket. Could be. Oh, Ryan, thank you so much for being here. And I'll be writing you an email. Thank you again. And have a good one. Have a good weekend, I guess. Trying to looking at this closer, but all I see for now is that it really seems like NQ might want to make a new high here. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, what's happening now? Picked up some liquidity. And is it gonna continue higher, or maybe this is the turning point again? $645 is the high. It could go higher, I guess. What the hell is going on with NQ? I think we're just going to trade in that range all day. Breakout to either side will be a false breakout. Yeah, that could be. Yeah, exactly. Range trader, hey, yeah, I'm still on. I got stuck in a drawdown and it pissed me off. So I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still trying to do something good with my account. Actually, I'm down $800 on 2 funded accounts each. So I think I should just leave it at that. So guess it might want to do a new high. It definitely seems like it. YOLO. Yeah. Yeah, it hurts a little bit, to be honest. It hurts. So that's why I said it is what it is. What can I do? I overextended my limit. My mental limit. So technically I broke my own rules. I know nobody did that before, but I did that right now. So welcome home. Oh, no, no, no. It's gonna make things even worse when you say that. Short here and cover at the bottom of the range. I think the false breakout will be to the downside. Maybe. Crypto Panda, that's not helping. No, I'm just watching this crazy price action and I just can't make up my mind with this. Should have just traded evaluations today. Big dump is coming. We'll see. I mean, yeah, it can just, go sideways, and I guess it can just dump any second. Question is, the lunch hour also likes to take some liquidity. So, for example, we're at 25. It's just 20 points for NASDAQ to sweep the highs at 44, 45. This is going to go and sweep those levels and then dump it. On the 5-minute and the 15-minute, it definitely looks bullish. It looks like it wants to push one more time. Even the hourly looks like it wants to push one more time. But one more time. We're gonna celebrate one more time. If history holds, we will fail to make a new high until we make a false break of the lows. That's also a possibility. Yeah. That theory, I think it can happen. But it's useless. What can I do here? You know, it's just useless. All right, you know what? I think I'm gonna give up here. There's just no way, no use to force it any longer. So I'm gonna give up, and I'm just gonna say thank you so much for watching and supporting the stream all week and all the time. I'll be back in Monday London session as usual. Thanks again for everybody for being here, and have a great weekend, everyone. If you would like to support, as always, please use my codes and links. Except Tradeify, I only have a link. If you would like to buy something at Tradeify, click on my link and use the code SNOW right now. But anyways, Tick Trader, instant funded accounts, check him out, and the rest too. Thank you so much, everyone. It's a red day, but I'm going to recharge over the weekend and continue from there. All right. So God bless you all. And that's it. God bless everyone. Okay. See you guys in London Monday. Cheers.